Found you guys actually at the home show originally and liked who we were chatting with there, and got you guys to come in and give us a quote, and got 2 other companies to come in. But once we compared all 3, it was a relatively easy choice on going with you guys. Just the professionalism, the details, the answers to all our questions. It wasn't just, oh yeah, we can do this for this price with, just throwing a number at it. That was really helpful for us to evaluate who to go with. We were just thrilled with the final product, so that was really good. It was hard to visualize some of the what we had in our mind until it came to be, and a lot of that turned out better than expected. It was really, really rewarding watching the progress as it went along and seeing some of it, especially. It's just a simple floor going down for the first time. It's like, oh, okay, it's finally there. We can actually see it. We're getting to that vision that we had right at the beginning. Working with the designer made it as easy, I think, as it could have been, showing us the different samples and recommendations on various items, going through all of those things to help us, guide us along the way as we then selected things. And if there was anything that needed to be changed, we had the guidance again to help us make those decisions as we went through everything. Pretty much daily communication with the foreman. With Brandon, and he was great, giving us updates all the time, and then the online software for any potential approvals or requests, again, was easy to use to keep us going and make sure we were always informed. I'm gonna have to say the kitchen turned out really well. It was a pretty big change. The kitchen moved completely from where it was, so much bigger, and now it's a focal point of the house. Do your due diligence. Ask as many questions. There's no dumb questions. Ask everything. And think of all of those what ifs that, we might want to do this, because I don't know, it seems like every project, whether it's construction or something else, there's your initial vision, and then it turns into a little bit more. So always understand what that little bit more might look like and plan accordingly. And if they've already hired, just keep the communication going. Things happen that may not be exactly what you envisioned, but if you're constantly communicating, you're going to catch any little thing, and they're just going to take care of it before it becomes anything bigger than a small, oh yeah, we can fix that right away. No, it was great. We're extremely happy with it whenever we have people coming over for the first time, knowing what the house looked like before, and now they're just amazed that it's the same house. So I'm really happy with the results.